In this video, I would like to show you how to easily and effectively do a hard reset on the Samsung Galaxy On5. This is the following steps. You will have to press the volume up button, the home button, and the power button all at the same time. So that is volume up, home, and power keys all at the same time, and you keep them pressed. The phone will turn on, and once you see a checking installing system update screen, that is your cue to let go of those buttons. This will give us access to the boot menu, where you have the option to do a hard reset or a factory reset on your phone. Please note that if you do a hard reset and you have an active Google account on your phone will be Google locked, and you will need to type in that previous Google information. So use volume up and volume down to scroll. We'll go down to wipe data, factory reset. The power key selects, asking if you are sure. Yes, we are sure. Power key to select. And as you see here, it's wiping our data, formatting, and it will say data wipe complete. And you just press the power button to select reboot system now. The phone will restart and boot up into a factory default mode where you go through your settings. As you see now, the phone is turning on. This method works also for various other Samsung phones, especially ones with a home button where you can physically press on. I want to thank you for watching, and for other videos related to phones, tech, or reselling, please like this video and subscribe to our page. Thank you.